Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down everyday money moves to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from TD Bank to Chime in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch banks, build your emergency fund, or just move cash quickly, this step-by-step guide will have you set in no time. It's a simple process, but I'll cover everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First off, ensure both your TD Bank and Chime accounts are fully set up and verified. This is key for security and smooth transactions. Head over to the TD Bank app or website. It's user-friendly on both mobile and desktop. Step 1. Log into your TD Bank account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Move Money section. This is usually front and center in the dashboard. Step 2. Look for an option to add an external account. Click on that, and you'll need to enter your Chime account details, like the routing number and account number. You can find these in your Chime app under Settings. Pro tip: jot them down to save time. Step 3. TD Bank will likely require you to verify the external account. They might send a small test deposit to your Chime account, which could take a day or two. Once it appears, confirm it back in TD Bank to link the accounts securely. Step 4. Now, initiate the transfer. Select the amount you want to move, choose your TD Bank account as the source, and your Chime account as the destination. Double-check everything to prevent any mistakes. Nobody wants a misdirected fund. Step 5. Review the details, including any potential fees for the transfer. ACH transfers are usually free but can take 1 to 3 business days, while faster options might cost a bit. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. Finally, keep an eye on your Chime app to track the incoming funds. If you hit any snags, like delays or errors, reach out to customer support for both banks. They're there to help. There you have it, folks. Transferring money in 2025 is easier than ever with these steps. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.